Hello there, my name's Gina Gardner and I have just tried to do a video of my garden to show you what fills me up. I wanted to do a live Facebook video. It's spectacularly failed, I'm afraid, and so I'm now just using conventional video because I wanted to share with you the colour and how pretty my garden's looking. This is where I come to fill myself up when life is difficult, when I need to feel connection to the earth, when I need to feel grounded. This is the vegetable plot. It's in the car park of the garden. Those raspberries never ever have got into the house. That's my little treat as I drive up, that I go and pick them, and not a single one has ever got through the gate. So I just want to share with you my passion, what helps me feel whole and energized. And I'd love you to share with me, what is it that you do? What takes you away from the daily stresses? Lots of people say to me, doesn't your garden take you huge amounts of hours? Well, there's a couple of times of year when I'm changing it over from summer to winter planting and from winter planting to summer planting. But I work on the principle that if you plant so many flowers, there's not room for weeds. And as you can see, there's not much room for anything other than that I've planted to come up. So this is my front garden. And I just love being out here. And I mix vegetables and flowers all together. I really don't mind breaking all of the rules. I'm very good at doing that. Everybody needs something that is going to make them feel in tune with something bigger than themselves, in tune with the world and the universe. And this is my space, and I just wanted to share it with you. I really hope I'm not making you feel seasick, because it would be very easy. I have a really unusual style house for the UK, so bear with me and I'm going to take you through into the courtyard. It's a lovely feature of the house. It's a sort of secret place where I spend quite a lot of time. I often come and work out here. It's very sheltered, and even when it's quite cool, it's nice out here. Do you have a secret place? Where do you enjoy being? And then I'm going to take you through into the last part, through my lounge. I can't work out how to turn the film the other way, so you'll have to bear with me. And then I'm very fortunate because my house opens out into a communal area. That beautiful oak tree and the cedar tree, it's where the moon comes up every night, and I love to track it in the sky as I'm sitting in my lounge. But again, I love colour, and I do everything I can to ensure that there's plenty of colour. This gets all the early morning sun, the front gets all of the afternoon and evening sun. So I'm very fortunate, whatever time of day, I get the opportunity to get the best of the light. So I'd love you to share with me, what fills you up? What do you do to feel great? What are the things that you do for self-care to help you feel energized? Take away the stress. So please let me know. Love to hear from you. Take care now, and my apologies if I have been a little wobbly with the camera.